Changing your verification method on Revolut is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access Security Settings. Scroll down and find the Security or Verification section within your profile settings. Tap on it to view your current verification methods. Step 4. Choose Verification Method. Select the verification method you want to change. Options may include SMS, email, or authenticator apps. Tap on the method you wish to update. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Follow the prompts provided by the app to complete the change. This may involve entering a code sent to your new verification method or confirming your identity. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut support for assistance.